One of the most fascinating new phenomena of the internet is the YouTube unboxing video. Now, for the uninitiated, an unboxing video is quite simply a video of someone unwrapping or unboxing a new acquisition. Now, I can understand why someone might want to post such a video. It's a kind of showing off. But why would someone want to watch it? Why would someone want to sit glued to the screen watching Jimmy unboxing his new iPhone 10, every sliver of cellophane crackling with delight and expectation? Why would our pupils dilate watching Philippe extract his fake Chinese Rolex from the innards of a red plastic toy fire engine? What's the pleasure in watching someone else unwrapping something that we ourselves will never have any pleasure from? And yet, these videos are hugely popular. The most popular has notched up over 850 million views. Rabbi Yeshivat Ohr Somayach writes in his classic essay on kindness that the two root motivations of the human personality are the desire to give and the desire to take. The desire to give is the root of all good in the world. When we give, we become as godly as man can ever be. The power to take, on the other hand, is the root of all evil in the world. Egotism, wars, infidelity, theft, all evil finds its root in the desire to take. But what's really interesting about the desire to take is that it's not about the thing itself. We all know the feeling, the obsession to possess a new whatever it is, a watch, a car, a necklace. And whenever we think about the object of our desire, our whole body becomes suffused with the warm fuzzies. But what happens when we finally get the object of our obsession? Well, it's very nice, but it didn't actually give us the feeling we thought we were going to have. It doesn't really hit the spot. Why? Rabbi Dessler explains that the desire to take is nothing to do with the object itself. It's about the act of taking. It's about making something mine that's not mine. It's about moving something beyond the perimeter of my possession inside it. And that's why, once that object of desire moves within that perimeter of possession, it loses that intoxicating aroma. It wasn't the thing I wanted, it was the feeling of the desire to take. So if you think about it, the desire to take can never be satisfied. For as soon as the object of desire becomes the object of possession, it loses its appeal. It takes its place in the junk room of past trophies, and thus on to the next, and the next, and the next, and the next. The desire to take is the green-eyed monster that mocks the food it preys upon. Maybe unboxing videos show the truth of what Rabbi Dessler was saying, that the moment of acquisition is so sweet, so rooted in the desire to take, that even watching someone in the act of acquisition gives pleasure to around 850 million spectators.